do this morning briefing show 5 days a week, Monday to Friday, every morning, 8:30. And I'm really happy that you're here with me this morning again. So I hope you had a great start into your last trading day and the last business day, working day, whatever. Maybe I have to work at the weekend as well, because I have my own company, but maybe you have to work as well. So stay positive and full of wonderful, lovely, positive thoughts in your mind. And we're going to collect wonderful life moments at the weekend, and far, far, far away from trading and something else, what is related to trading. But today we have to talk about a lot of things, because Friday is a review day. We want to see what we have learned this week and what we did this week about our trading. And I can say something. It's time to dance, guys. It's really time to dance. We can dance Jerusalem. It's time to dance. We had a great, great week. Let's see what happened this week. Vladimir, wonderful good morning. And I hope you followed the trades so that you have profits as well. And so let me share my screen. Just first open. Here we go. There we go. So now let's see. Let's share the screen. Oh, that's great. Okay. So where is my chat box? Here's my chat box. So please feel free to ask whatever is in your mind. And here I can see the participants. Okay, that's cool, guys. So on YouTube as well, I can see on YouTube your number, your comments and something else. So please feel free to ask whatever is in your mind. Plumbing, good morning. Serene, wonderful, good morning. And of course on YouTube as well. I love to see you there. It's really, really nice to work with you guys. Okay, trading with financial instruments offered by Admiral Markets carries a high level of risk, which is not suitable for all investors due to their complex nature. Consult a specialist if necessary to ensure you understand the risk involved in trading. And here is a special hint from me to you. I'm the German guy here. You know, my German is colored. My English is German by colored by German a little bit. So let's work together. And I do my best to understand it, to explain everything in the way you can understand it. But even the longest way starts with the first step. Okay, so that's our trading approach. That's what we are looking for at the right side of the chart. That's Dow theory, just simple system. Trading system is simple. Trading is never easy because it's a challenge in our mind. And but we have a probability quote of around about 70%. And that's the rules. The rules, we need a trend, we need a young trend, buy cheap and sell expensive. Then we want to come out of the accumulation phase. And of course, we're waiting for the balance candle. Yesterday, we talked about that. And at the end, we want to make a review because that was the topic of this week. Okay, I guess we should check the numbers for today. If I can open it, here we go. So what we expect today, to be honest, nothing important, because next Friday we expect the employee numbers, and today personal income and Chicago Business Index this afternoon at 2:30. But guys, I have really, really good news for you, because Admiral Markets out-published a wonderful, amazing, great new homepage, and you should check it right now with me. And this is, look at this one, admiralmarkets.com/analytics. A wonderful, great new homepage, great new site. And there you can see it's really, really amazing. Top news at the top. Then at a glance, first of all the news you need, the numbers, what you need on USA, and Asia, whatever. Oh my gosh, but that's so. And then you can compare different economics to each other if you're interested in such things. But you know, please be careful, just information. And you know, we learned about that. Information just only have this character to influence the market to do something. As private trader, we cannot influence the market. So see it in that way, have a check on it, then look at the chart, and then think about it. Okay, what's the sense beyond this news? The news basically is completely uninterested, but you check it with the chart, and then you think about it. Okay, what's about the elephants? Do they want to go in or do they want to go out? And that's the sense of every kind of news, because every kind of news have never an ultimate character. The only ultimate thing in our life of every human being is this one. You see the hourly glass? That's the point. That's the only ultimate thing in our life. Lifetime is ticking, and our lifetime is running down. That's the only point which is ultimate in our whole life. And therefore, news can never have an ultimate character. Otherwise, every human being would see the same. And every trader would trade the same. Think it through, guys. Think it through. Ultimate means everybody sees the same. Then everybody would trade the same. But trading includes buyers and sellers. Very deep knowledge. Really deep knowledge. So, but this is a wonderful site. You don't have to watch other sites from other brokers or something else on the internet. Stop it, focus on one site. With this wonderful news site of Admiral Markets, we can check every upcoming events. Next week, for example, put in your watch list. Next week, Tuesday morning, we expect the Australian cash rate decision. Next week, it's on your watch list. So interest at glance, so you can see FX. What's about the news? 43% of the news was focused on EURUSD, for example. So this is a wonderful, lovely, I love it. I got it yesterday and I love it right now. Okay, but you see, we have to focus on sticking to rules. Okay, let's check the charts this morning and just have a look at the, got it. Okay, now that's the presentation effect, guys. So just a moment, please. I have to close. Just a moment, please. That's the live character. I have to. Oh, here we go. It's gone. Okay, now it works again. So we have just have a look at the Australian Swiss franc. Now check the charts first. And we start with, now it doesn't work. Just a moment, I have to close. Okay. Now let's start it again. Yeah, that's live character, you know. That's live character. So, but as traders, you know, we used to be patient and we used to work with unexpected things. So here we go. That's a slogan in my life in trading. Expect the unexpected things, okay? So here we go. Austria, no, let's check the charts, the markets this morning. So, and we start with the FTSE, that's the Great Britain index. So first of all, basically we have still our uptrend, and yesterday we saw falling prices, global falling prices. We had in Nikkei falls by 4% Yeah, that's nice. That was really interesting. So in FTSE, we see a correction, still a correction, but not a secondary facing up downwards trend. It's not a trading idea there. Maybe we should wait if we can go up again, but not Friday, not over the weekend, of course not. So the DAX. So someone asked me, "Oh, was there a signal?" Not really, guys. Not really. So and why? I can tell you why. So if we start at the highest point, maybe we do that, and you have to learn to draw the trends in a technical, proper way. This is a kind of craft we have to do. And this is what I train with my students. They have me as their mentor. That's one of the points we train. And so now you can see there was the last 0.3. And as you see in 4-hourly chart, we had a break. So we had a trend break there, which means no new trend. And you know, rule number 1 means we need a trend. If you don't have a trend, no trade. But we made another one. So that's the point. So what's about gold? Yeah, what I mentioned, we continue the trend to the lower side. As you can see, next time we should take it. And in silver, I said, stop making the uptrends. Yeah, and this is the point, as you can see, if you have here the balance candle, then never get into by limit or by market orders. Always stop buy or stop sell orders. That's the most important point. And so you missed a failed trade. You missed a loss here. So nothing to do actually in silver. So let's go through the running trades. So focus on the right side and focus on sticking to the rules. Okay. Now, what's about you? Are you disappointed right now? Because we were so far away in profit and now the price come back. Are you disappointed? Check it, feel it. If you, then you have too many emotions. It's just a trade, guys. And we said, and this is what we must learn, let the market decide how much money you will get. Unless it was your plan before that you trail your stop bar by bar. Then it's fine if you got out. Then you have a big profit right now. But for me, I decided to wait for a contrary signal. Guys, it's just a trade. It doesn't mean your life. It's just a trade. And our job is to stick to the rules and then let the market decide how much money you will get. Because we made already money, because we sold half of the position. And I said, no, I let the market run right now. So now I can see the price will go back maybe to 61% of Fibonacci. And I'm quite sure that the price will go up a little bit. And then I trail my stop below that last low. And then I start to trail my stop loss above and above. Who knows? Do you know what will happen on the right side? I know about my own experience after such a big decrease to the lower side, sharply decrease. Mostly the market will make a technical recovery to the upper side, just a little bit. And then I can trail my stop loss. And then I take what the market will give me. Believe me, if you are disappointed right now, you are too much focused on money. And this is one of the bad things in trading. If you're focused on money, we catch the pips, guys. And that's the point. And we have a long run goal, a long run. But this is what you can learn with a mentor on your side. Okay? So I'm still in. And that's my plan. As I said, I'm quite sure that the price will test the 61 Fibonacci retracement. And then maybe we will see a little bit, now we got this correction. It's just a correction, guys. Yeah, don't forget, the last correction zone is below there. They're far away. There is the last correction zone. So it's normal that after such a big move, a correction must come. It's normal. But believe me, most of the private traders try to get in right now. Now they see the correction, and most of the traders see, oh, I missed this trend. Now I have to go in. And believe me, they will. And the smart money, the institutional money, they want to sell right now. Therefore, the price probably will go up. I don't know. It's just kind of experience. So therefore, I never intervene into my trade. So, because I will be really angry if I can see the price will go up again and I am not in. That's really stupid. So switch your focus. Look on my lower side of the screen. Can you see any numbers there? Do you see my trades there? Do you see my price? Do you see the pips? Do you see, yeah, the pips you can see. Do you see any money on the lower side on my screen? You will never see any money on any kind of my software or MetaTrader or MetaTrader. I don't look at the money. I'm catching pips. And I know with my trading style, I will make money. That's not the problem. So let's go. New Zealand, Swiss franc, same one. Let the market decide, same one. New Zealand, US dollar, same. You see the price came back into the last correction zone. So wait for it. If you will see next black color, the price will go up a little bit, then we can trail the stop. So I will inform you, of course, in our Traders Yard community. So US dollar. Sandra, you see why I said yesterday, sell half of the position, trail the stop into the profit. Can you see it? Just kind of experience. Not that I'm smart guy. Of course not. I'm the same guy like you guys. I see the same like you on the right side. But this is just what I said. It's kind of experience. This is what a mentor can show you. So if we get out, yeah, it's fine. We made money. You cannot lose money, guys. We trade, stop is in profit. We sold half of the position a little bit early. I was too early with that because yesterday I told my client, we had a wonderful, lovely session yesterday. Sandra, thank you. And we sold half the position, maybe punctually. That was a punctually selling of the whole position. So I had a good feeling yesterday. That was really cool. So, and what will happen right now? I don't know. I don't care about it. I don't care about it. I'm fine with it. So Euro Japanese yen. So we see now the correction. So, and we sold half of the position. A stop loss is in profit. Nothing can happen. We cannot lose money. It's fine. So I will answer all your questions. Give me a little bit time, please. Okay. And stay until the end of this show. Then we'll answer all your questions. So this is US dollar, Japanese yen. We sold off the position and trailed the stop into profit and wait for it. Wait for it. Okay. So, and now guys, really, are you with me right now? Who opens the trade yesterday in NASDAQ? Who opens the trade? Type in the chat box. Type it in the chat box on YouTube or in Zoom. Are you with me? Did you open the trade in NASDAQ? Oliver, I'm really damn proud of you. Really, really wonderful. Who opens the trade? Come on, type in the chat box. You can say no or yes, it's fine. No problem. I'll never judge someone. Of course not. It's just trading. So Sandra, oh, Sandra. Where's my cactus? Oh my gosh. Okay, I've closed out my position. It's moved along beyond 0.2. Yeah, great, Oliver. Really, really great. Not enough. Then it's different. If you don't have enough money on your account, then delete this from your list. Then it's fine. I'm talking to people that have enough money on it and the market is on their trading list. Then it's fine. Okay, Coco, no problem. If it's not on your list, then it's fine. Then it's fine. Just only if you have it in your list. Okay, on a demo account, you should do it, of course. So if your account is smaller, then delete it from your list. No focus on that. Just only focus on Forex, where you can work with micro lots. Okay, then fine. Okay, that's cool. So you see why I said the first one was a loser, but if you have a second signal, you need to do it. Okay. If you have the account size of it and if you can trade it, if you're from India, for example, then fine. Okay. But then trade the markets you can trade based on your account size, where you have your penguin factor. This is a different topic for another session. And of course, if you can do that. Okay, Michael. Great. I'm really proud of you. Really, really. Okay. So let's go. So we had two winners. Yeah, Australian US dollar. Jackie, wonderful. I love it. Thank you. Wonderful. So Australian US dollar. Oh, by the way, if you're in NASDAQ, please sell half of the position if you can, because I bought just one mini lot, so I cannot sell something, trail the stop and into profit at least and wait. And then I trail my soft stop bar by bar. So, and then I take my money if the price will go up. But now we are still, it's cool. It's really cool. So guys, we made money, 153 pips in Australian US dollar. Now we have a broken trend, no trend actually. So we made money. It's really, really damn it cool. Euro Canadian, another 89 pips. So Sandra, did you see why I said yesterday? Can you see why I said yesterday? Trail the stop? Huh? Did you see it? Why? Of course. Again, it's just the kind of experience, nothing else. I'm in this job for 22 years right now. Okay, so what's on my watch list? Could this be a balanced candle? Yeah, this could be if it's finished at 11. Yeah, but first of all, the trend is too major. We are too deep in the green zone. So I don't open a trade here again. Okay, though it's over for this trade. We are waiting for uptrend because we want to go up back to the point of control. On my watch list, still on watch list, Euro USD, we're waiting for a balance candle. US dollar Swiss franc, I'm waiting for a close below. So put it on your watch list. You don't have to ask again. Okay, Swiss franc Japanese yen. We are waiting for the next balance candle, and then maybe we can open a trade on the way down. Okay, put in your watch list. So next one, British pound, New Zealand dollar. Too far a move, we need a correction. Rule number 3. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, we are in the move. Rule number 1 is there. We need, rule number 2 is still there. We wait for rule number 3 and then 4. It will not happen today, but maybe next week. It should still on your watch list, okay? British pound, Australian dollar. Okay, we have a trend right now. We see the correction. The correction ends surprisingly around 61%. Now we are waiting for a proper balance candle, and then we can open a trade on my way down. Okay, not exactly below the balance candle. Give it a little space, because if we will see a trend continuation, the price will go down, and then our order, our pending order will be open. Okay, so wait for it. Put it a little bit deeper. We don't need to catch every pip. Okay, so British pound USD, we have a broken uptrend, which means now we have a wonderful proper downtrend, but we are deep in the move. Nothing to do today, guys, okay? If you work in Follow chart and if you understand the law of the probabilities and you can catch every signal in Follow chart, then it's your time frame. If not, then you have to take another one, okay? So, and no, this is New Zealand Canadian dollar. Yeah, here we go. So wonderful. We have a wonderful new uptrend. This is this one movement, and this is the last one for your watch list for today. Movement, correction, and now we had the next move. And we have a wonderful correction right now. So finally, guys, that's lovely. So, and rule number 3, yeah. So we are waiting for the balance candle. And now, which time frame you using for the chart, Paul? For the chart, it's based on the law of probabilities. If you want to understand, please watch the show of the last 3 weeks on Admiral Markets YouTube, because there I explained the law of the probabilities, and you have to follow as a private trader. It's a duty. It's not an option. It's not, oh, I can or I could. No, it's an option. It's not, it's a duty, of course. So on my watch list. So, and now here comes a really big advice. How often should you check your charts today? If you are trading in Folly chart, how often? Just only if you know a balance candle will occur. So now we have in this time, we have in this chart, we have a trend continuation candle. This will end at 11 my time, transfer it in your time. No need to check the chart at 11, because we need a balance candle, which means the balance candle will highly occur at 3 p.m. my time, German time, of course. No need. So what's about British pound US dollar? No need. We need a correction. No need at 11. Next chart, British pound Australian. Yeah, this is a balance candle. That's the only chart you should check at 11 my time, of course, because there will be a balance candle, okay? So Australian, no check at 11. British pound New Zealand dollar, no. Swiss franc Japanese yen, yes. Check at 11. 2 charts right now. US dollar Swiss franc, no. We need a close below 38. No need. Euro USD, no, not 11. Maybe high, maybe at 3 when we see a balance candle. So, and this is what I'm talking about. How much time you must spend for your charts if you will follow your working style? Nothing to do. So the trades still running, okay? And new trades, just only 2. It's British pound, British pound Australian dollar, and it's British pound Australian dollar, that's 1, and Swiss franc Japanese yen, just only. How many time will this take? 10 seconds. Because a balance candle you see in 10 seconds. Place your order, close the chart, enjoy your life. That is what you have to do, guys. No more. No guessing, no interpreting, no something else. Please, guys, that's the point. So, and while we open the poll of the day for you, then, okay, come on. When will I be rich? That's to be honest, it's a really stupid question, okay? Stop asking me that. At the best, take a mentor and then you can maybe do whatever you want, okay? So I want to learn the exact time. There isn't an exact time. So, but this is a different topic. Follow the show and maybe you will learn something for yourself, okay? That's really cool. Thank you that you joined this session. Okay, let's open the poll for today. The question is, what I want to know from you is what you have learned this week. Question 1, I must stick to my rules. Answer number 2, I don't know yet. It's fine. And rule number 3, answer number 3, I must change myself to become a successful trader. So here we go. There is the poll. What have you learned this week? And here's the poll. So put it, just 1 click, and then we know if we left one. And we make a review of our wonderful result of this week, guys. So look at this one. That's the account, guys. Isn't it amazing? So And here we go, guys. Can you see it? Look at the equity, guys. Look at the equity. Is it cool? We are in profit. We got it. We made it. Yeah. And why? No, not why I'm a smart guy. No, we have learned to stick to the rules, which means I must change my habit. I must change my mindset. That's all. We are back, guys. Look, and the profit, we are on track again. And look, the equity, we are the highest degree we ever had in this account. And we started 4 weeks ago. We started 4 weeks ago. Isn't it cool, guys? I love it. Yeah. And just only based on the fact, because we stuck to the rules. And of course, we let the market run. This is key factor. Stick to the rules, cut the loss, and let the winners run. I'm really happy, but not for myself. Do you know why I'm really happy? I can show it to you that it works. And I'm so grateful for Admiral Markets that we can do that session every morning. And you have the big chance right now. Stop guessing. Stop looking for other traders. Just focus on yourself. Watch this show. Watch the webinars from Paul and Jens to learn the background. So guys, that's what you have to do. So we had a great result. We had a great result, which means 42%, I must stick to the rules. Great knowledge, guys. And I must change myself to become a successful trader. So the question is, will you? That is the answer you have to give to yourself. Are you really willing to change yourself? And I'm really happy if I can accompany you on that way. Believe me, guys, look it. We did it. And we do it again. And we will stick to the rules. And I can help you, and I will help you that you become successful. And if you made money this week, guys, if you made money, take a little bit amount. Take a little bit, $1, $5. Take a little bit and give it to another one who is not in this situation, who can handle red and green candles. Give it to someone and then be happy about that. Be happy about our common success. And this is what we have learned this week. And this is what we did this week. You see, after 4 weeks, yeah, the account is a little bit lost, but the equity, and we have open trades, open $600 euros in profit, guys. And this is really, really amazing. And by the way, the orders, you can see closed orders. Look, we are in profit with 202 pips after 4 weeks. And this is the goal. Catch the pips. This is the goal what we have to follow. That's the target that we have to do, guys. I want to say thank you, guys, that you be with me in this show. Thanks a lot. I'm really happy that you be with me. And I wish you a wonderful Friday. A wonderful. And if you time on the weekend, don't check the charts. Close it. No charts. No news. Nothing. Take your time. Take the time for your family, for your friends, for your kiddies. Surprise them. Your wife will be happy that you have time for her and not checking any stupid charts or checking any news or something else. I give you the permission to spend 1 hour to watch the YouTube videos from this week if you missed some session. I give you the permission and I ask you on Monday, and I want some pictures from you. Take some pictures where I can see you spend your time with your family, with your kiddies. Okay? Take some pictures, put it and send it to me. I want to see it. Just 1 hour, and all the other time, spend time with your kids, with your family, with your friends, or make some meditation, something else. And guys, I please you, do that. Spend your time. We can trade next week together again. Thank you very much, guys. I wish you a wonderful Friday, a lovely weekend. And you know, we close every session with the wise words of Jedi Master Yoda. May the force of the rules be with you.